just premium trays, guys. He fitted on his beautiful Ford Ranger. Just want to show you really, guys, how this sits on these Rangers, to be honest here. And you know, yes, I do make them in overseas. I bring them in the container shipload, but for the price what you guys pay for a product that is well overpriced in Australia, this is what we're talking about. This is the quality that I make when it comes to these trays. They're flawless. The machine that's used to do these cuts, the powder coating is, I've got things powder coated in Australia and I've got things powder coated overseas. Look at that floor, look at that finish. Roof sets all here for water to leave. And just have a look at that tunnel draw. Other people 1500. This is quite as close as we can get to a 1800 tunnel draw. And if you just have a look here, the chassis mounts. Just if you guys want quality tray at a fraction of the cost, give us a call. We can freight it all over Australia. Even if the freight costs you $1,000, you're still thousands in front, and I mean thousands. You can call up all the big guys that do trays. They'll never be able to beat these prices that we got them. We have them for $6,800. If you guys just missed out the sale, we can always work out deals for people, especially fleet companies. And guys, stock, we have stock everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Stock, just containers of stock. That's the white version.